Okay, so we are going to be adding kind of little notes to our interactive notebook on page 40, where it is talking about combining like terms. Now, if you read the top of it, it talks about socks and how they need to match. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the example that they have on their sheet, and then we're going to hold it close and do this example on the outside. Okay, so I have 6m minus 2p plus 3 minus 4p plus 3m plus 4. So I've already gone ahead and put my shapes together. So now I need to bring the numbers down that go with the shapes. So I have 6m, and then I have a positive 2m. Okay, then I have negative 2p, because I always use the sign that's in front, minus 4p, or negative 4p. Then I have plus 3, I'm sorry, I didn't mark out my m, plus 3, plus 4. Okay, so now I can simplify. So I just combine these. 6m plus 2m, because they have to have the same variable to the same power. So none of these have an exponent, so the m's can go together. So I have 6m's plus 2m's, because that's basically saying I've got 6m's plus 2 more m's. So that gives me 8m's. And here I have 2 negative p's, whoops, and then I have 4 more negative p's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have negative 6p. I use my rules for integer subtraction, and what I could do here, because this is basically its own separate problem. So negative 2 minus 4. So I change that. Now it becomes negative 2p plus negative 4p. You follow the same rules you do as if there are not variables connected. So negative 2 plus negative 4, we said, is negative 6p. So I put my negative 6p. Then I have 3 plus 4, which we're used to seeing, which is 7. So my simplified answer is 8m minus 6p plus 7. So they have to have the same variable and this to the same power. Now you may ask, why did I combine these two? They don't have any variables. Well, that's exactly why I combined them. They do not have any variables. So now let me give another example that I will think of, and we'll do 2x plus 3y plus 5x minus 9y plus 2. Okay? Now again, I can use shapes, I can use colors, I can use whatever I need to do to match my like terms. So I'm going to put circles around the 2x and the 5x. Again, I always make sure that I use the sign that is in front of the number, and that gives me the positive negative. Then I'm going to do my y's. Positive 3y minus 9y, and then I've got my plus 2. Okay? So I'm going to put all my black circles together. So I have 2x plus 5x. I have 3y, positive 3y, minus 9y. And then I've got my plus 2 by itself. So there is nothing else that I'm going to combine that plus 2 with. So I go ahead and just put plus 2. So I know that comes straight down. There's nothing to combine it with. So now let's combine here. I have 2x's plus 5x's. Don't say that I have 2. Yes, I have 2 variables here, but I have 2x's plus 5 more x's. So that is 7x. Now again, using my rules. Positive 3 minus 9, that becomes negative 3 plus a negative 9. Okay? So then, I'm sorry, positive 3 plus a negative 9. So signs are different. So I subtract. 9 minus 3 is negative 6. y. So my final answer would be 7x minus 6y plus 2. You can put this on the outside of your folded notes. We will do some practice of this on Monday. Or Tuesday, depending on when you have math, due to the schedule.